Assalamualaikum class 5. Today we will read unit 3 page number 20. Africa. Africa is the second largest continent in the world. It covers almost 22% of the world's total area. It is also the second largest continent in terms of population. Africa is commonly known as Black Continent. Why it is called Black Continent? Because equator passes through it and it receives direct sunlight. It lies in the center of the earth. The lines of equator passes through its center. Africa is the hottest continent in the world. The world's largest desert Sahara and longest river Nile are also in Africa. Africa is surrounded by Mediterranean Sea in the north, the Indian Ocean to the southeast, the Suez Canal and the Red Sea to the northeast, and the Atlantic Ocean to the west. There are 54 countries in this continent. Swahili is most widely spoken African language. This is the location of Africa. It means that in the north of Africa there is Mediterranean Sea. So on the southeast there is Indian Ocean, and on the northeast there is Red Sea and Suez Canal. To the west there is Atlantic Ocean. Australia. The continent of Australia includes the mainland of country Australia and the island region of New Guinea, Tasmania and Seram. It is the smallest of all 7 continents. The 6th largest country, which is known by the same name Australia, is also in this continent. It means that Australia is the 6th largest country in the world. Australia is called island continent because of its size and isolated location. Here isolated means far away from other places. Africa is considered to be birthplace of mankind. The oldest fossils of Homo sapiens means it is the scientific name of human, have been found from the eastern part of the continent till now. It is one of the least populated continent, but at the same time it is one of the wealthiest continent in the world. Australia is least populated and wealthiest continent. It has 12th largest economy in the world. Australia is ranked among the highest in terms of providing quality of life, health, economic freedom, and also protection of political rights and liberties to its natives. English is the dominant language in Australia, followed by Italian and Greek. Many unique animals in the world, such as kangaroo, koala, dingo, wallaby, and wombat, are found in continent Australia. These are all the animals of Australia. Dingo is a wild dog with sand color coat, or wallaby is similar to kangaroo, and wombat resemble to bear. Koala is a bear having a grey fur. There are 5,700 species of animals on the continent of Australia. More than 80% are unique and cannot be found anywhere else in the world. North American continent is the 3rd largest continent. It includes the countries of Canada, United States, Greenland, Mexico, and the Latin America regions that serves as a connection between North and South America. North America makes up about 17% of the world landmass and is home to about 8% of the people. The continent is found entirely in the northern hemisphere and surrounded by Arctic Ocean to the north, Pacific Ocean to the west, and Atlantic Ocean to the east. There are 23 countries in this continent. North America has a very diverse climate, wildlife, and geography. It contributes 50% of the world corn production. It contributes up to 50% of the world's corn production and 1/5 of the world's wheat production. It means that 50% of corn comes from North America. South America. The South American continent is located in southern hemisphere. The equator passes through the continent. South America is surrounded by a Pacific Ocean on the western border and the Atlantic Ocean on its eastern border. This continent is the 4th largest in 7 continents. It is made up of 12 countries. Brazil is the largest country of the continent in terms of both area and population. South America has the longest range of peaks in the world. It is the home to Amazon River, which has largest volume of water in the world. The world largest rainforest, Amazon rainforest, is also in this continent. Antarctica is known as frozen continent. It is the 5th largest continent in terms of size. It has few native plants or animals. This continent is covered with sheets of ice that can be more than a mile thick and forms permanent glaciers. Antarctica has one of the windiest and coldest climate of the world's continent. Temperature can reach -87 degrees Celsius in some regions of the continent.